Hey guys, welcome to Drew's Kitchen. Giving you a short little video on a few of the things that I made today for Sunday's dinner. Here go the cabbage, finely chopped up with some bacon drizzled in syrup, cut up peppers and onions. That's for the cabbage. Simple, quick video. And then we have our dirty birds here. Now, they're marinating right now, but I'm going to show you the seasonings that I use. You want to use that. Some of that, some orange pepper, seasoned salt, a little oregano, smoked paprika makes it look pretty, a little drizzle of that, and some drizzle of that for your marinade. Sprinkle some lemon up in there, fresh garlic. You got your fresh poultry blend herbs you want to cut up. And I also use some cilantro. Gives it a nice little taste. And some peppers. And some butter and a little bit of water. And then you have my simple steps to making a dirty bird. And then we have some quick candied yams. They are drizzled in syrup, brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg with some butter, and you put them in the oven. And we also have our potatoes and carrots that's gonna go in here once the birds are cooked a little bit. But just a simple video of a Sunday dinner by Drew's Kitchen. So after your chicken's been marinating for 2 hours or so, you want to put the oven on 375 and let it cook for about 45 minutes. To take it back out, put juices over it, and let it brown. And then when the chicken is halfway through, you want to add in your potatoes and your carrots. Okay, y'all, we're about to start this cabbage. As you see, everything's chopped up and ready to go. You want to have your heat like kind of in the middle parts. Then put a little bit of olive oil in there, and then I'm going to season the cabbage with a little seasoned salt, a little kosher salt, and a little black pepper. I like to cook mine until they're somewhat all the way done, but still has that nice crunch to it. So we're going to start off with the bacon and the peppers first, and then add the cabbage. Put in the bacon, and let that cook for a little bit. And then do the peppers. See them turn purple and not stir up. And right now we're going to add our peppers and saute them with the bacon. Let it cook for a little bit, and then we'll be adding the cabbage and seasoning. Okay, so that's about done. So what you're going to start doing is adding in your cabbage and your seasoning. Season. Do not over season. Nobody likes too salty food. See how it's starting to come together? That's what you want. You don't want to cook it too long because you don't want it mushy. You want it to have a little crunch. See that bacon and peppers up in there? That's some good. And the cabbage is just about done. Okay, y'all, the bird's been cooking. Well, the dirty bird's been cooking for about an hour. Now, what you want to do is get some of this juice. And you're going to put it over the chicken and then put it back in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. For each bird. That's for it to stay moist and juicy while you're cooking it. Alright, since our chicken's been cooking for a little bit, now we're getting ready to add in the potatoes and the carrots. I always add that in after the chicken cooked a little bit so your potatoes and carrots are not too mushy. And I season it with these seasonings right here. I just toss it all in here and mix it together, and then we add it in to the chicken, the dirty birds. And once it's all around the pot, put it back in for about 35 to 40 minutes on 375. We're doing one more coating for the chicken, basting it with the juice. And then we're going to put it back in for another half an hour so it can crispy up that top. And here is the final product of the dirty birds. Okay, y'all, the candied yams is done. Mix it up a little bit. A little cook. Candied yams. And cabbage. This is the final product. Some dirty bird. Candied yams. And the cabbage. All complete. Simple and easy. Like and subscribe. Thank you.